Assembly elections, the 7.4 crore voters are just days away from the announcement of the poll dates in the state. And after reviewing the poll preparedness, the Election Commission that is visiting Bihar didn't spell out when the polls will start, but made it clear that the Bihar election will be completed by the 22nd of November. The number of phases will be decided soon, and the Election Commission laid down that there will be 17 new polling initiatives that will be replicated across the country in the due course of time. In fact, the reaction that came in from the Election Commission, remember this is after the special intensive revision that was undertaken by the Election Commission, the allies of the India bloc have been claiming that this is vote Tory. They have been claiming that this is the mainstay of their election campaign as well. It's a poll plank as well. An Election Commission did in fact make a mention of that when it was asked these questions. The Election Commission defended the SIR exercise, saying under People's Representation Act, the ECI has the legal mandate to conduct a revision before every election. Does it indicate that ahead of the other future assembly elections, there will be similar SIR exercises? After all, states like West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Assam are expected to go to polls next year. And 3 of these 4 states are ruled by the parties that are part of the India bloc. So is this an indication that SIR will actually be taken up in these states as well ahead of the elections? There are no clear answers just yet. Listen in to what the Chief Election Commissioner had to say.
बिहार के विधानसभा की कालावधि 22 नवंबर तक समाप्त हो रही है और उसके पहले ही चुनाव संपन्न होंगे। जहां तक स्पेशल इंटेंसिव रिवीजन चुनाव के पहले कराए जाने के निर्णय की बात है, तो अगर आप लोक प्रतिनिधित्व कानून के हिसाब से अगर चलेंगे तो रिवीजन हर चुनाव के पहले चुनाव आयोग को कराना लॉफुल है और लॉ के अंतर्गत कराना ही होता है।
And of course, it goes without saying that the opposition wasn't really convinced by what the Election Commission went on to say. Remember, the Election Commission has removed close to 68.6 lakh names from Bihar's electoral roll after the SIR exercise. Now, opposition is demanding that the Election Commission should give sabut or evidence as to why these electors were actually struck off from the list. The opposition is demanding proof for every voter's name removed from the voter list, and has said that all of these details should be put up by the Election Commission, saying that the Election Commission, by not giving out these details, actually seems to be serving the BJP.
3.6 lakhs votes have been donated from the final draft of SIR. What is that? And of course, the manner in which SIR has been done, that is full of discrepancies, full of manipulation, and Election Commission is not justified. It is a part of now BJP. The SIR is incorrect, and it is a manipulation to get BJP and of course India Alliance elected.
चुनाव आयोग ने कहा था कि बहुत सारे घुसपैठिए हैं। आपने देखा, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का भाषण उठा के देख लीजिए, ये तो जब जा रहे हैं तब घुसपैठियों का नाम ले रहे हैं। हम आपके माध्यम से और गणेश जी से पूछना चाहते हैं कि कौन घुसपैठिया, इसका लिस्ट तो दे दीजिए। अब म्यांमार से कितने वोटर बने हैं, नेपाल से कितने वोटर बने हैं, बांग्लादेश से कितने वोटर बने, अब तो आपके पास में फाइनल लिस्ट हो गया ना, ये तो आपके पास में लिस्ट है नहीं। तो देखिए, सब मिला जुला के सबको मालूम है कि बीजेपी का ये वकालत कर रहे हैं।
My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Tejshri, ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, there has been a lot of talk about vote Tory. The Congress, the India allies have spoken about it. Yesterday, the Chief Election Commissioner did address the media, and he also spoke about the SIR exercise and, of course, the findings from the meetings that the Election Commission had undertaken over the last 2 days as well. Take us through the key findings and the key details that were mentioned by the Election Commissioner in this press briefing yesterday.
Well, of course, Pratibha, the Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar detailed each and all things in yesterday's press conference. However, the details of the polling date were not revealed yesterday, but yes, he made that sure that before 22nd of November, polls will be conducted in the state of Bihar, number one. Number two, he did highlight the fact about the SIR. That was the main talking point as far as the opposition is concerned. And apart from that, he did mention about how the Constitution does give rights to the Election Commission to conduct SIR before the election as well, and in fact also recounted those instances when the SIR was conducted in the previous time before the election, because allegations were leveled up against the CEC, the Election Commission as well, for being biased for conducting the SIR process just months ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections. Not just that, but they also questioned the timings as well. So that's why he made clear that why the SIR was carried out just a few months before the assembly elections in the state of Bihar. Number three, if we talk about, then he also did mention about how the polling agents, how the people who were handling the SIR, all these process was carried out in a complete transparent way, in a channel manner, and how in fact the training was also given to the BLOs so that the names who are deleted are the actual names who are not eligible to cast their vote in 2025. And number four, he also did brief about how will the polling take place, because yes, the opposition parties did press on the polling should happen in one phase. Now it's high possibility that either polling will take place in one phase or two phase maximum. Back to you.